Hello friends, in this video I will be presenting Dower Beach by Matthew Arnold. This poem was published in 1867. It is one of Arnold's best pieces. It is regarded as a representative poem of the author. It is lyrical in form. An elegiac note runs throughout the poem. It is indeed an elegy on the death of religious faith in the world. We have to imagine that the poet is looking through the window of a house on the shingled beach at Dover in England in moonlight and listening to the roar of the waves advancing and withdrawing. The sound of the waves strikes him as being sad. It is symbolic of crumbling religious faith of human beings. Listening the waves, he is reminded of the spiritual doubt and uncertainty prevailing in the world. He refers here to the religious skepticism of the 19th century, which resulted from great advances in scientific thought. In place of religion, life has become purposeless, aimless, and meaningless. The opening lines describes the scenery around Dower Beach. The sea is calm, the tide is full, the straits of Dower look bright in the light of the moon. The cliffs loom large in the bay. The sand seems white because of moonlight. The poet draws the attention of his beloved to the sound of waves which alternately advance and withdraw and throwing them up against the beach each time they advance. The poet finds a note of sadness in this sound. He recalls that the Greek dramatist Sophocles also called the sound of sea waves as sad. It reminded Sophocles the tragedy of human life, the wind, confusion and distress in human life. The Sophocles heard the sound of the waves of Aegean Sea, while Arnold hears the sound of the waves of the English Channel. The poet then points out that once upon a time the sea of religious faith was full, but now doubts and disbelief have combined to throw back the waves of faith from the world, leaving the world barren and cheerless. He means that religion has lost its control upon the minds of people who have now become skeptical. Skeptical means people have become full of doubts. They have a lot of confusion. True love, according to poet, is the only source of comfort in this world. The world appears beautiful and new, but in reality, it contains neither joy, nor love, nor certainty, nor peace. The world, he says, is like a dark plain, while men are like foolish soldiers fighting in darkness without knowing reason why they are fighting. The poet wants to give message that all the struggle, activity, exertions of human beings are meaningless and purposeless if they have no religious faith. Thanks students. Listen carefully the video by using earphone or headphones and note down each and every word so that it will give a lot of practice and again it will increase your understanding. So please like, share and subscribe my channel on YouTube. Thanks.